Hello everyone, this is Django here, and here's a saber that I was contracted to retrofit and install an ultrasound 2.5 in. Basically, I'll start with what I did. Besides installing the ultrasound board, I drilled and tapped button head screws, all the ones that you see here and here. This button head screw is interchangeable with the blade retention screw right here. He can swap it if he wants to. I just put all the button heads on one side to make it look nice. I also put a cover tech knob on, and he also requested a anti-vandal switch for the soundboard. That required me to Dremel out this and line it up a little bit because the original install, this screw was off of true. Now it's perfectly in line. Before it was over here. I also sanded and polished the saber. I was trying to get a little less than the machine finish that was on there. Not sure if I succeeded or not, but I'm pleased with the appearance. I think the contrast looks nice. If the contractor wants me to give it another go with the polishing, I'll go ahead and do it. Otherwise, it's going out tomorrow or upon payment. Anyway, I also added the cover tech knob. This is one of my kill keys.
Ultrasound 2.5.
Okay, this is the idle LED. The main LED is a P4 blue that was already installed. The battery pack is a 4-pack of AA's nickel metal hydrides. Ultrasound 2.5, of course. It's already calibrated and set up. Plenty loud. Recharge port in the pommel. TCS premium speaker provides sound output. Here's it with an ultra edge blade. The optic in this is a 5 degree, not something I would normally use, but because of the windows in the saber as they are, they let a lot of light out there. So I figured a 5 degree would be the best way to go, because that way it would focus more light up through the saber. Saber blade, excuse me. Hold this down to turn the saber off. Oops. And then turn it back on. Okay. Let's go through the settings on the ultrasound that you can adjust. Hold down the switch when it's off.
Main menu. Tap button to select mode. Lexian 3. Selected.
We'll go with that.
Select blade frequency 1.
And you can go through flicker settings here.
2. 3. 4. 5. 1.
Constant on, we'll stay with that.
Specify sound intensity level 1. 2.
Go 2 so you can see how loud it is.
Select impact sensitivity level 1.
I always go with 1 on this.
Select motion sensitivity level 1. 2. 3. Settings recorded successfully.
And that's about it. Saber's ready to go. Turn the saber off. You can hold down on the button to get the lock up. Or you can put the kill key in. Turn the kill key just to make sure. And that's it. Hope you enjoy it.